Good morning, viewer. Biendas here. Here's breaking news. Experts raised concern over the potential rapid spread of the bird flu pandemic, which may lead to an exceptionally high fatality rate and can be 100 times worse than the COVID pandemic, reported the Daily Mail, a UK-based tabloid. The report cited experts who raised concern over the threat of a new pandemic during a recent briefing where researchers discussed the H5N1 strain of bird flu. The virus is approaching a critical threshold and has the potential to cause a global pandemic, said scientists. Dr. Suresh Kuchipuri, a prominent bird flu researcher in Petersburg, warned during the briefing that H5N1 flu can cause a pandemic due to its ability to infect a wide range of mammals, including humans. We are getting dangerously close to this virus potentially causing a pandemic, he said. We are not really talking about a virus that is yet to make a jump. We are talking about a virus that is globally present, already infecting a range of mammals and is circulating. It is really high time that we are prepared, Dr. Kuchipuri said during the briefing. Another expert, John Fulton, emphasized that the potential H5N1 pandemic could be extremely severe, making it far deadlier than the COVID-19 pandemic. Fulton, who is pharmaceutical company consultant, said that appeared to be 100 times worse than COVID, or it could be if it mutates and maintains its high case fatality rate. Once it's mutated to infect humans, we can only hope that fatality rate drops. World Health Organization, WHO data shows that 52 out of every 100 patients infected with H5N1 virus have died since 2003, making its fatality rate over 50%. Meanwhile, the current COVID fatality rate is 0.1%, dropping down from 20% from the start of the pandemic. Biendas exclusive report.